So from here, first again I will explain every tag while I am going to use. First tag is HTML. So who are new over here? We are just learning HTML codes. Means this is not exactly codes. HTML is known as scripting language. Okay, scripting language means by this we can make the web pages and websites. So HTML, so make understand our computer that it is a HTML document or not. We have to mention HTML means we are using HTML tag. Next is heading. Heading here, I am just going to skip that part. And next here we are just using title. Now
Ma'am,
title
your
here
sound
I am
is
just
audible.
changing. Yes. Any problem?
Your sound is cracking.
My sound is breaking. Wait,
Oh, ma'am, I am getting clearly.
No, ma'am, I also can hear you properly.
just wait. I'm just going to attach my headphone. It's not breaking. Actually, one fan is there. For that, I think some interference is causing. Okay. So title we are giving that form. Okay. Nothing else. We will just try to give very easy title and heading. So here we are just going to end title. Okay, I'm just writing it in caps because HTML is not case sensitive. But if you are one day, if you are going to learn the other programming language like C, Java, those are case sensitive. Okay.
Ma'am, whatever you writing on the board, we have to copy it.
Later you will copy it because any mistake if I'm going to do it right now, that will be because you are writing in pen and here I will use backspace, right? So just wait for a while. Okay. So here this much bigger code I will not write because our motto is to see that how the other means how exactly the parts are working or not. Here you can see in the from the picture that first name, last name and email ID is just written like the same format, right? So if we are going to write only one line, it's very easy to understand. So one line we will learn and I will explain it accordingly. Please keep your books open, page 52. Okay. So after in the body part we are just going to do. Okay. Next here we will just go to use to learn the new tags label for equal to first name and here what the output will be showing first name or simply name also you can write first name and here we will just end the label tag. Okay, now I should say how you can write a good code. One line you will write and one line you will run. How? Here you can end your body tag and you can end the HTML tag.
Ma'am, then it is only first name.
Yes, only the first line it will show. No problem. We can later do it. Later do it. What can I say? Later we can write the rest of the code. Form dot HTML and save as type all files. Save. don't close it. Sometimes you will not be able to open it. So class 8 folder I am opening here. Here you can see form is coming at the first. Yes, first name is coming. But unfortunately, the box is not coming, but because box part we have not done still now, right? So here we will change the code and we will just can you keep yourself mute? Result in, please keep yourself mute. Input type equal to text ID equal to first name. Can you please keep yourself mute, Rezauddin? While I'm just telling you, please keep your sides mute. Everyone, please check that your microphones are mute or not. Because you know what, like the way you are writing in the exam, we need also concentration to teach you. Okay, because it's not like that everything I can memorize perfectly and I am just coming in the class. Not like that. Sometimes I have to think, I have to see that I am rewriting the code correct or not. Otherwise, we will tell ma'am to function. So here, first name takes so first part we have completed. Okay, ending it over here and using one new tag here. Okay, rather we should not use any kind of space, because for space sometimes in computer it will be much problematic. Okay, so again save it, only save. Now first time you have to do the save as, and now refresh it. Can you see the box has came? Here you can see I can enter my name over here. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
it's very very small according, since if you are doing it from phone it will be looking very small. That's why I'm just telling you to, if you are having PC, just join the class from PC. Okay, so like this way I can
Ma'am,
just
please
cover.
say the result.
Rezauddin is a new student and
I
he
am his new
graduate.
student.
Yes, yes. So he will be also your friend very soon, I think so. If the school is going to be open on Sunday. Okay, so whatever here tag we are using, now we are just going to
And show the code while writing.
just wait for a while. So one code I am just explaining since Rajauddin is new. HTML, here you can see this and this tag where I'm just moving this cursor. This tag we are using because to make our computer understand. Computer is dumb. It's not like us. It does not have human intelligence. Okay. If I can say you something in a half sentence, you will able to figure out the rest of the sentence. Yes, ma'am is coming us to give the instructions like that. Given the instructions this. Ma'am didn't tell everything, but ma'am gave the instruction this. We are very sure because our intelligence figured out what I am going to. I was saying that time to you, but computer is not like that. So make our computer understand. We have to use HTML tags, right? Now HTML is a container tag. Container tag means here this is called opening tag and this is called closing tag. Everyone just listen to it very nicely. Next is head.
And
Head,
computer is the foolish thing in the world.
yes. And now okay, just let me explain it. After that I will tell you few things rather than your book. So here you can see that title and head. Title, I am just requesting you to keep this title part as the same as the name given. Here you can see the name is also form notepad, means this code has been opened in notepad, that is why form. I think you all can remember that while I was saving it, I will have saved it in a form dot html. Okay, like that way, and save as file all save as type all files I have done. Otherwise, this code will not run. Now level for first names we have written input type and body is also container tag, and input type and level, what is this tag, we are just going to learn that. Now input, here you can see this tag is used to declare a field. It indicates the element to be displayed on the form. Now here in the physical form means whatever we are, somewhere we are, if we are going to write anything on the form, here every time we are having some blank space like the same way, and we have to fill that part. Nowadays everything is done via computer, so that same thing also we have to do through our computer. Next is,
I know how to do codes in Java.
so here the input field can be text field, a text area, radio button or checkbox. Radio button means here male, female. You will see that there are like tick the option, or like the way we have just solved the MCQ, like that way we have to do. We can just do. Also, actually, these are the syntax over here. All these two pages, 52 and 53. These are the syntax. Syntax means the how we can make up forming HTML, a very basic view they have given, and one very basic line I have written. Okay, now here you can make your form more nice. How, suppose I am just going to mention BG color. Okay, I'm just going
And
to give
blue.
it. I will not listen to you, Akil. Yesterday you have done very wrong thing. I hope you are understanding what I'm just saying. So let's see that it is working or not. Just refresh it. Yes. Okay. Can you see the form is coming as a very bad yellow
Yes,
color?
ma'am. Yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
ma'am. What we will have to do to write to make the first name appear as blue?
First name, appearance, blue here, input type, text ID equal to first name, appearance, blue.
And the letter is written in black color, but I want to write in such as yellow color. What we will have to write the code?
I need to see it.
Okay, ma'am.
Rather giving you wrong answer or half answer, I will see it and I will tell you that. Because nothing here, I have to do trial and error method. Means here I have to see that which code is working finely over here. Mostly we are not bothered about the font color. Okay, we are bothered about the content of the web pages. Our linking is working fine or not. Okay. Now here, I hope that up to this all of you understood. Okay. Now
Yes, ma'am.
here, suppose I am just going to give a heading, one more heading, H1. Okay, H1. Suppose this is your school admission form. Okay, so I can make the form like that. Saint Xavier. Sorry. Don't write. I will give much time to write the code. Heading tag, this is level 1. How it is working, I will tell you right now. Suppose heading 2, I am just giving you uh, uh, Admission form.
Admission form.
I can mention these two parts. Okay. H2, saved it, going to
Ma'am,
the
how many heading can we give?
6. There are 6 level of heading, H1 to H6. Okay, can you see
Ma'am,
that?
first we have to save them,
Yes,
then it will come.
Yes. Every time, first time we have done save as, and from the next time, simple, file, save. Okay.
I mean
Suppose,
control plus S.
yes, control plus S also. Suppose here I want to make it bold. Okay. So B tag is for bold, I tag is for italic, U tag is for underlining. Like the way bold tag is container tag, I'm not sure that bold tag is container tag or not. Let's see that it is working or not. If it is not working, then it's not a container tag. Oh, no changes is coming. That means bold is a HTML is very nice. Why it's very nice? If your one line is wrong, only that part it will not run. But the other part it will run. I think with heading bold tag will not work. Okay. So rather we are just going to remove it. Okay, up to this, I hope that it's clear. Just do one thing. Write this code. Okay, give the heading like that. Uh, form in HTML, form in HTML. Okay, and write this code. If possible, draw the output very roughly. If possible, draw the output very roughly. Okay, I'm just showing you the code. Please write it. Write your code. Ridim, are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Please unmute. Okay, where is your sister?
Ma'am, he has gone with my mother.
She has gone where? She's not doing the class for many days.
Yes, ma'am, I am telling, but he's not listening.
Okay, from our phone will go from school. Explain that I don't know to whom it will go, to your father or mother. Tell them to tell the truth. Okay. And while you will able to contact your sister, tell her that ma'am was asking you in the class. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, B tag is used for bold. It is correct.
But I think it is not working with a heading tag. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose
Yes, ma'am.
suppose I'm just going to here. Suppose in the body tag after HTML form, I'm just going to write some para from here. Just wait, don't write it. Suppose the para is fill the form very carefully. Fill the, or I can write all the fields are mandatory. All the fields okay. Suppose here I'm just going to use the B tag. B tag is very easy. Why it is not working, I don't know. Let's see that it will work over here or not. Otherwise, I will just check the syntax right now. P.
And after mandatory one, full stop in.
Yes, I gave it.
Okay.
Okay. So just refresh it. Yes, it is working here. I think H1, H2, these are by default, it is bold. Okay, that is why it is not working. Here you can see the name is coming in the normal font. And here all the things here I have mentioned the bold tag. So here it is coming in the bold version. Okay, now write the code. Form in HTML, give the heading and write the code. Like the way you can finish the entire coding. The coding is from your book. I have only done. Here you can see from after body they have written form, method, post action, this that, means where in which website they are just going to upload their form, that website's address they have given, but we don't have to bother like that. Okay. So up to this, you if you are able to do, it's okay, fine.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, which chapter is reading, ma'am?
Who are you, first tell me?
I am new student, ma'am. Sheikh Rizauddin.
Oh, Rajauddin, Advanced HTML, page 52.
Ma'am, not clearly, ma'am.
It's not clear, so you please go through the videos from the school's YouTube channel. Do you know the YouTube channel name? This is the same, exact the same spelling of your school's name. There I have
Okay, ma'am.
posted everything, every work has been posted. Okay?
Ma'am, one. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
yes.
which chapter is reading, ma'am?
This is page 52, page 52, computer boy, page 52.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Page 52. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Hmm, hmm, hmm. Other students are having any kind of problem from HTML? I don't think so, because HTML, this is advanced, means previous basic things you have learned. Other any of your students are having problem? So tomorrow I will take, I am thinking that I will take one division based class. All the things whatever we have done, we will cover. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have written.
You have written, so output also please draw. Just wait. Reja, you are doing the class from school, na? You are in
Yes,
school, na?
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I am just now is coming. That's why
Okay, okay.
my
No
father
problem.
will.
No
Okay, ma'am.
problem. Please write this
Okay, ma'am.
thing. Rest of the part I will make you understand.
Ma'am, this
Tomorrow.
one, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. This writing,
Okay.
and who are drawing, please, this thing means yellow background. Obviously, you can't give right now, but the output box you can draw, and there the name, admission from, all the fields are necessary, first name, and the box you can draw. Very roughly you draw it, because how the output will come, draw it. I am frequently giving this question to everyone, because I want
Okay,
to
ma'am.
see that your in your head it is clear or not.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Mhm. Do it very fast, and I'm going to take your attendance. Don't raise your hand or unmute on this that. Mute. I'm just keeping all of you mute. Yes, Rajauddin, unmute yourself. You can unmute yourself
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
or mute yourself. Right now, mute yourself. Keep yourself mute.
done.
Okay. Just wait a
Ma'am, I
minute.
have also done.
Okay. To you who are doing the class for the past day, this is clear? Okay, this thing I will post it. I am just going to end this class within 2 minutes, okay? Because my next class will start from 11.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am. Thank you,
If
ma'am.
you are
Thank you,
not
ma'am.
able to write
you.
everything, you just take the screenshot. I hope that this will be very much
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you,
very much
ma'am.
visible in your screenshot.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
Okay,
Bye,
you.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
bye.
Thank you,
Guys.
ma'am.
Just wait. I am just going to take the screenshot also. Okay, so I'm just stopping the share. Okay, bye. From my
Thank
side,
you, ma'am.
yeah. Meet
Thank
you
you, ma'am.
tomorrow. I hope that this chapter everything is clear.
Bye.
Okay, your task. I will not give this form to make because practical it's really impossible for me to conduct. But yeah, we will. You have to solve the exercise by yourself. I will only ask you on that tomorrow. Tomorrow revision, a little bit revision
Ma'am,
overall
I
of
have
this
done
chapter.
already.
Okay,
Ma'am, I have also done.
no problem. Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.